Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So excuse my voice, I am having a very bad cold at the moment, so I sound a bit off. But today in this video I wanted to share my hair care routine, and as you guys can see I have colored hair which is pretty dry and damaged. It also looks very frizzy, and on top of that I have pretty greasy hair, so it gets oily real quickly. So the first tip is to always use lukewarm water while washing your hair. You don't want the water to be too hot because hot water can really dry up your hair and it could really damage your hair cuticles. So make sure to use only lukewarm water. Next, I've been really enjoying the Schwarzkopf Peptide Repair Rescue Shampoo, and as you can see I got this big one because I really like it. So the next tip is to always emulsify your shampoo, which means to thin it out a bit beforehand. So I just take a little bit of water and thin out the shampoo so that it lathers easily on my hair and I don't have to rub it in too much for it to lather. Alright, and also you want to make sure to use your shampoo only in your scalp area, because the scalp is the area which produces all of those grease and oils. Also make sure to be very gentle. Don't dig your nails or scratch your scalp too hard. Just use your palms to clean your scalp area. So the scalp is the only area that needs shampoo, and when you're rinsing off your hair, the shampoo water that runs down the ends of your hair, that is more than enough to clean out the ends of your hair. Next, since I have blonde hair, and blonde hair tends to get too warm and orangey and yellowy over a period of time, so once in a while I go ahead and use my silver shampoo. This one is by Schwarzkopf as well, and as you can see it is very purpley in color, and the purple tones of this shampoo really helps to neutralize the orangey and yellowy tones of the hair, and it's really good for neutralizing blonde hair. I use the shampoo only over my colored hair, and you want to leave this on at least for 5 minutes, and this shampoo can be a bit too drying, so I only use it once in a week or once in 2 weeks, and then I rinse my hair off. And the next product is conditioner. Now I always like to towel dry my hair and remove all of that excess water before going ahead and applying any kind of conditioner, because if your hair is too wet, the conditioner isn't going to sink in deeper into your hair cuticles. So if you just towel dry your hair and remove the excess water, it's going to sink in a lot more better. And also because I have colored hair, I prefer using hair masks and treatments over normal conditioners, because I feel like conditioners aren't very nourishing for my hair. They're not enough for my hair. So I really love the Peptide Repair Rescue hair treatment, which is amazing if you have colored hair. But since today I use the silver shampoo, which is quite drying to my hair, I am going to go ahead and use my Mama Earth hair mask, and this mask is also amazing. This is the second tub I've got, and I just like to go ahead and apply a generous amount all over my hair. And usually I only use treatments or conditioners at the ends of my hair, but with this mask I also massage it over my scalp area because I feel like it really nourishes the roots of my hair. So first of all I like to finger comb through my hair, and then I also take a big toothed comb to help me spread the conditioner, treatment or mask evenly all across my hair. And whatever treatment, conditioner or mask you're using, you want to leave it on for at least 5 minutes. You can leave it on for longer, like 10 minutes, but at least 5 minutes. Okay, so I go ahead and take my shower, do all the other stuff that I need to do, and then I go ahead and rinse out the conditioner or the mask thoroughly. You want to make sure that all of the product is thoroughly rinsed out from your hair. Next, I like to take a very soft material absorbing towel, and you also don't want to rub the towel into your hair like that, because that will again damage your hair and it will cause very frizzy hair. So just go ahead and dab the towel and remove the excess water. So after towel drying, my hair is almost 60 to 70% dry, and this is when I go ahead and take the Schwarzkopf Moisture Kick leave-in conditioner. Okay, and this comes in a spray form, which makes it very easy to use. So I just go ahead and spray it all across the ends of my hair, because that is the area where I need most of the moisture. And this is very lightweight. It's very nice. I really enjoy using the spray. And after that I like to brush my hair. and because I have pretty thin hair, it can get tangled very easily. So I love using my Tangle Teaser hairbrush. Now this brush is like magic. It removes all of the tangles so effortlessly and you don't have to tug or pull on your hair. Another tip is to start combing your hair or brushing your hair from the bottom and then move slowly upwards. That way you'll be brushing your hair in a much more gentler way than going from top to down. So I have pretty thin hair on my scalp area, so it tends to get pretty flat. So because of that, I do enjoy using some volumizing products, and the first product I use is the Garnier Mega Full Thickening Lotion. So I just take like 2 to 3 pumps of that and spread it across the top of my hair where I need most of the volume, and make sure to use very little amounts of styling products whatever you're using, because if you use too much, you're going to get a lot of product buildup and it's going to weigh down your hair even more, making it look more flat. So the next product is the Root Lifting Mousse by Garnier again. I take a very little amount on my palms and I just go ahead and apply that to the root area of my hair. Now next it's time to dry the hair, and I like to use my blow dryer to dry my hair. You want to make sure to keep the heat in medium. I don't prefer low heat, and high heat can be pretty damaging for your hair and it could lead your hair to be very frizzy. So make sure your hair dryer is at a medium temperature. Once my hair is 90 to 95% dry, I just take my metallic hairbrush and just comb my hair randomly like that, and that really makes a difference in, you know, making your hair look a lot more tamer. Now colored hair is always better off with some shine to it. So finally I use 2 more products. The first product is the Argan Oil of Morocco Penetrating Oil. This oil is very lightweight. And the next product is the Anti-Frizz Serum by The Body Shop. This is the Grapeseed Serum. So I mix a few drops of both of these and then I apply it over my colored hair like that. So I generally focus that on the ends of my hair, and whatever is left on my palms at the end, I just smooth out my crown area to calm down the flyaways there. So yeah guys, that was my current hair care routine. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to my channel. So see you guys in my next one. Bye.